Previous year we learn a one chapter that is on the internet, right? So before that one, we are going to firstly do the quick revision of that. We are going to do the connect activity that is given on your page number 10 of textbook. So you have to tell me these three things about internet. First, what you know about internet. That thing you have to also write down in the टेक्स्ट बुक. आपको ये आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में भी लिखना है. स्पेस आपको ऑलरेडी दी हुई है, वहां पे आप लिखोगे भी. आप इंटरनेट के बारे में क्या जानते हो? What do you know about internet? Okay, that I mute. Students, tell me, what do you know about internet? आप इंटरनेट के बारे में क्या जानते हो? What? ओपन ऑफिस राइटर कहाँ से आया? What I am asking, what do you know about the internet? हाँ. Yes. Okay. Listen, students. This is the uses of internet. Now, tell me. You have to be write down here what I want to learn about internet by yourself. आपको खुद से लिखना है कि आपको इंटरनेट के बारे में क्या क्या और सीखना है. And now you have to tell me what I learned about internet. आप ऑलरेडी इंटरनेट के बारे में क्या चीजें सीख चुके हो ऑलरेडी ऑन द प्रीवियस ईयर. आप ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस ईयर में इंटरनेट वाला चैप्टर पूरा सीख चुके हो. आपने क्या सीखा था जिसको याद होगा वो मुझे बताएगा. Anyone? What you learn about internet? There is a one chapter on the internet, the browsing internet in the class 4. Firstly, we learn the basic requirement for internet. What should we need for the internet? Then we learn the components of www. Then we also learn the Google Chrome interface, searching on the www search engine, search results, safety rules on the internet. These all things we already learned in the class 4. If you forgot, just revise all the videos and mute yourself. Now, tell me, students, as we are going to learn more about the internet, tell me first what are the uses of the internet, where and how you can use the internet. कहाँ पे किस तरह से आप इंटरनेट का यूज करते हो? टेल मी. To search anything, to watch video. Yes, to watch video, then listen music. Very good. Watch videos, movies, both are the same thing. Movie is a one type of video now. Gaming. Yes, for the gaming to play games. Such some of the games are. If you want to download the game, then you also use. You have to be use the internet. Okay. Now tell me, for the booking, for pay bills, chat with friends, communicate with friends, for the video call for the on the friends, book tickets, the online shoppings. These are the many more uses on the of the internet. Now tell me, nowadays what is the biggest use of internet that you are also using now? अभी भी आप यूज कर रहे हो? अभी भी आप इंटरनेट का सबसे ज्यादा यूज कर रहे हो, कैसे? Tell me, students, nowadays, what is the biggest use of internet that you are using nowadays also? अभी भी आप कर रहे हो उसका यूज? Yes, yes, definitely. Whenever we walk out after a breakfast and bathing, we are just sitting for the online classes. For that purpose, we compulsory need an internet connection. So now, due to the pandemic situation, we use the internet connection in the huge way. So in the previous year, we are also learned the one thing that how can you connect to the internet, which are the basic requirement for the internet. Now, as you told me that for online classes you are using internet connection. How can you open your on your connect on the internet, like we are connect with the Zoom class, right? We are connect with the Zoom cloud meeting. How can you connect on the Zoom cloud meeting? आप कैसे connect हुए? Through link. Whenever I share a link to you, you click on that and you join on the class. But tell me, if you don't have internet connection, it is possible to connect with Zoom? No, right? If you don't have. Now, students tell me, as you told me, for the Zoom classes, you need internet connection. How you can use the internet connection? How you turn on the internet connection? हाँ? आप इंटरनेट कनेक्शन कैसे ऑन करते हो, कैसे यूज करते हो जूम क्लास पे ज्वाइन होने के लिए? कैसे? लेकिन दूसरे मोबाइल में भी इंटरनेट तो होना चाहिए ना? Means we need a internet na? You told me for the Wi-Fi connection. Next, if you are connect with your mobile phone, what you are doing first? You are turning on your data. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, आपको अपना मोबाइल डेटा जो है वो ऑन करना पड़ेगा. अगर मोबाइल डेटा ऑन नहीं करोगे तो आप इंटरनेट का यूज नहीं कर पाओगे, right? So firstly, we need a internet connection turn on. अगर आप turn on करोगे तभी आपका मोबाइल डेटा ऑन होगा. For example, I am connected with my mobile phone, right? मैं अपने मोबाइल फोन से कनेक्ट हो रही हूँ. तो सबसे पहले मेरे पास क्या होना चाहिए, जो आपने क्लास 4 में ऑलरेडी सीख लिया? हम्म. हाँ. हम्म. कनेक्ट करना है. चलो, मेरा वाईफाई खत्म नहीं हुआ, मेरा इंटरनेट है. अभी मैं कैसे करूं? मैंने इंटरनेट भी ऑन कर दिया है. तो उसके लिए आपके पास. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग अबाउट द जूम क्लास, आस्किंग ओनली फॉर द इंटरनेट. सबसे पहले आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए? कार्ड होना चाहिए. जैसे कि आपके पास जियो का कार्ड होना चाहिए, एयरटेल का कार्ड होना चाहिए, बीएसएनएल का कार्ड होना चाहिए, वोडाफोन का कार्ड होना चाहिए. अगर आपके पास अगर आपके पास ये कार्ड ही नहीं होंगे तो आप कैसे इंटरनेट का यूज करोगे? इंटरनेट टर्न ऑन ही नहीं कर पाओगे. So, for the firstly, for the use of internet connection, we need internet service provider, ISP. Firstly, We need ISP, means Internet Service Provider, that we already learned in the previous year. What is the use of ISP? It provide the internet connection through the telephone lines, cables, or using the radio frequency bands or the or wireless. You can get that. You also need a modem for the internet connection. अगर आपके पास कोई भी कंपनी का कार्ड नहीं होगा, आप इंटरनेट का यूज नहीं कर पाओगे. Examples: BSNL, Airtel, Tata, Jio are some of the popular internet service provider who provide the internet to you. कंपनी का कार्ड नहीं होगा तो आपको डेटा कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा? हम घर में थोड़ी इंटरनेट बनाते हैं, राइट? ये जो कंपनीज के नाम आपको दिख रहे हैं वो ही आपको इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो देर आर द सच टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरनेट. लिसन, वी आर यूजिंग द ISP. आप वाईफाई बोल रहे हो, दूसरे फोन में भी तो कार्ड होना चाहिए, उसके पास भी तो इंटरनेट होना चाहिए, तब वाईफाई कनेक्ट होगा ना. उसके पास ही नहीं है इंटरनेट, तो वाईफाई कनेक्ट करके क्या करोगे? इंटरनेट इज ऑल्सो नीड ना. You have to remember the examples of this. You can add your own also. Nowadays there is adding also Vodafone also, MTNL also, Tata also, Docomo also. These are the ISPs. Mute yourself and listen to me. आपके बैकग्राउंड से बहुत आवाज आ रही है. On the previous year, you only learned the ISPs, Internet Service Provided, which are the services provided through this company. These companies provide you the internet services with use of that cards, with use of that company cards, you are allowed to use the internet. Now we only learned the ISP on the previous year. Now from in the class 5 we are going to learn the types of internet connection. कौन-कौन से types हैं? So firstly, in the previous year we learned the who provides us service. In the class 5 we have to be learn the types of internet connection. There are three types of internet connection. Using of that connection, you can use internet in your mobile phone, laptop, or computer. You give me the example of the Wi-Fi also, right? That all are the types of came in the internet connection. First, dial-up, broadband, and the wireless. We are going to learn one by one type of internet connection. You told me that all example will be came in these three types. First is the dial-up connection. What is the dial-up connection? This connection is used a telephone line to connect the computer to the internet. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. Remember student, dial-up connection is always connect with the wires. आपको यहाँ पे wires दिख रहे होंगे, that will be connect with the wires. It also required modem. This is called the modem. First क्या होगा? Companies जो होगी, this is the internet base. Then it will be pass the internet to the ISPs, means a company जैसे Vodafone, BSNL, etc. Then the ISP serves the internet to the phone lines जो आपको towers दिख रहे होते हैं वो. Then the phone line pass the internet connection to the modem, and modem will pass the internet connection to the device to the computer. Modem also converts analog signal transmitted through the phone line into the digital signal and vice versa. Remember what is the use of modem? It will use to convert the analog signal through the phone line to the digital signal. आपको अभी सिर्फ ये वर्ड्स याद रखने हैं. बाद में हम ये जो एनालॉग और डिजिटल सिग्नल्स आपको दिख रहे हैं उसके डिटेल में हम सीखेंगे. तो अभी आप अगर कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं व्हाट इज एनालॉग, व्हाट इज डिजिटल, that you have to be just remember the words for a now. The meaning of that word will be come to the next years. So what is the use of modem? It converts the analog signal transmitted through the phone line into the digital signal. phone line में से जो आएगा data internet, that is in the form of the analog, and whenever the modem pass the internet to the computer, that will be in form of the digital analog signal, and here will be a digital signal. If you remember this figure now, then it will be easy for you to write down about the dial-up connection. And dial-up connection is a slow connection. Remember, it's a very slow connection compared to the other two connections. Next connection, broadband connection. What is the broadband connection? It is the high speed internet connection. It is available in the different form such as DSL, digital subscriber line, broadband cable connection using fiber optic cables, and satellite connection. Internet pass through directly the modem, then the router, and pass to the computer or the digital service subscriber. Okay, three forms you have to be remember for the broadband. First is the DSL, digital subscriber line. Second is the broadband cable connection. Sometimes broadband is connected using the wire, and sometimes it's a wireless. Using fiber optic cables and the satellite connection. Satellite connection is the wireless connection. Because of its high speed, it allow to playing online games or watching movies online. आप यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस देखते हो, ऑनलाइन गेम्स प्ले करते हो, अभी आप जूम कनेक्ट करते हो, दैट इज ऑल द कनेक्शन ऑफ ब्रॉडबैंड. Last connection type, that is the wireless connection. What is the wireless connection? As you give me the example for that, Wi-Fi. उसके लिए आपको वायर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. You don't need any wires for that. It is use the radio frequency bands for the connecting the internet. You have to remember this word. Wireless connection is use the radio frequency bands for the connecting internet. It offers the high speed and can be used for the mobile devices such as tablets and smartphone. वायरलेस कनेक्शन के लिए आपको कुछ याद नहीं रखना. यू हैव टू जस्ट रिमेंबर द वर्ड वाईफाई, जो आप यूज करते ही हो डेली लाइफ में, जो आप हॉटस्पॉट ऑन करते हो, वाईफाई ऑन करते हो, यू आर कनेक्टेड विद द इंटरनेट. दैट इज द मोस्ट फेमस एग्जांपल ऑफ द वायरलेस कनेक्शन. It is a broadband connection without using the wires and cables. Remember student, in the dial-up connection and broadband connection you need a wires, but in the wireless you don't need any type of wires. It will be use the radio frequency band, so we don't need any wires. It is use either the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth is also one example for the wireless connection for transfer the data, transfer the files. Wi-Fi can be found in homes, cafe, airport and other public spot. आपको पता ही है वाईफाई कहाँ पे मिलता है. Even nowadays at the home Wi-Fi is most available for you. जैसे कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आपके चल रहे हैं तो आपको मोबाइल में इतना डेटा फ्री नहीं होता, तो उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, वी आर पुटिंग अ राउटर, वी आर यूजिंग द वाईफाई that is used, that is give the unlimited internet connection to you. So there are the three types of internet connection. First is the dial-up connection, second is the broadband, and third is the wireless connection. This is the example. You can see here the image, that is a one type of router जिसको हमें वायर से ज्वाइन नहीं करना पड़ता. डायरेक्टली जब आप वाईफाई ऑन करते हो तो आपका मोबाइल फोन, लैपटॉप, कंप्यूटर इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट हो जाता है. सो थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ द कनेक्शन. फर्स्ट इज द डायल अप, second is the broadband, and the third is the wireless connection. Now next time we are going to we will be learn the internet services. इंटरनेट का यूज कहाँ पे होता है वो आप एक लिस्ट आउट बना के रखना है और आपको मुझे बताना है कि हम इंटरनेट का यूज यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. नॉट ओनली द वर्ड्स ऑफ द बुक, यू कैन टेल मी योर ऑन वर्ड्स. आप अपने वर्ड्स मुझे बता सकते हो कि कहाँ पे किस तरह से इंटरनेट का हम यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, it's 11:37, so we can discuss it now. इंटरनेट सर्विसेज. फर्स्टली, सर्विसेज मीन्स इंटरनेट का यूज कहाँ पे होता है. फर्स्ट, सेंडिंग द रिसीविंग द मेल्स. ईमेल्स का नाम आपने सुना ही होगा कि अगर आपको कोई मैसेज भेजना हो, फाइल भेजनी हो, तो उसके लिए आप यूज करते हो मेल्स का. तो फॉर सेंडिंग एंड रिसीविंग मेल्स वी आर यूजिंग द इंटरनेट. जीमेल, याहू मेल, जोहो मेल आर द सम ऑफ द फ्री email service provided on the internet. Second, searching for the information. अगर आप, if you want to search anything, you are using the Google nowadays. So that for that also we are using the internet. Examples: Google, Bing, Yahoo and ask.com are the few example of the search engines. Third, talking to the friends and family through the video chatting and application. Nowadays, it's a very famous. You are doing a video calling to your friends, your family members, if they will be far from you. अभी सबसे ज़्यादा वीडियो कॉलिंग का यूज़ होता है क्योंकि अभी ड्यू टू सिचुएशन वी कैन नॉट गो देयर होम, so we are using the video calling for that. Yeah, like a WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or the Skype. These are the famous video calling applications. Buying products from online store. Online, you are doing online shoppings also, like from the Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal are the popular online stores. You can write down your own example for this. Listening to music or watching the online movies. लाइक अ यूट्यूब. आप यूट्यूब पे कभी भी कोई भी वीडियो देख सकते हो. फ्री म्यूजिक अचीव एंड इंटरनेट अचीव आर टू साइट्स वेर यू कैन लुक फॉर द फ्यू म्यूजिक एंड द movies. Playing online games, example Candy Crush and Farmville. Then booking the tickets. If you want to book the tickets online, it's nowadays it's available for you. Like a train, hotel, cabs, movie. Hotel tickets can be reserved online nowadays. These are the uses. These are the services of internet. First, sending, receiving mails. Second, searching or information. Third, talking with the friends through a video chatting. Fourth, buying online products. Fifth, listening online music and watching movies. Sixth, playing online games. And last, booking tickets online. These are the basic uses of internet. Now, if you have a query, you can ask me regarding these topics. Today we are learning the two topics: types of internet connection, three types of internet connection. First, dial-up connection. Second, broadband connection. Third, wireless connection. And then we learn the internet services. Now tell me, if you have a query,